Scandinavian minimalist loft interior design has emerged as one of the most influential aesthetics in the modern era, blending timeless elegance with a functional and clutter-free lifestyle. This design approach is more than just a visual concept. It embodies a philosophy that prioritizes comfort, natural light, sustainability, and well-being. From open layouts to crafted materials rooted in nature, Scandinavian minimalist lofts offer a refreshing escape from the chaos of everyday life. Below is an in-depth look into the key principles, visual characteristics, and the distinct charm that makes Scandinavian minimalist loft interiors so captivating. 1. The essence of Scandinavian minimalism. Originating from Nordic countries, Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland, and Iceland, Scandinavian design reflects the region's cultural values and environmental conditions. Extended winters, limited daylight, and a strong connection to nature have shaped a design tradition focused on warm and inviting spaces, efficient use of light, functional furniture with simple forms, a balance of beauty and practicality. Minimalism naturally complements these values by eliminating excess and celebrating purposeful design. Together, they create a loft style that is both aesthetically pleasing and emotionally uplifting. 2. Loft living. Openness and freedom of space. Lofts are known for their expansive industrial-style layouts, often converted from old warehouses, factories, or modern open-plan apartments. When combined with Scandinavian minimalism, these spaces become even more efficient and airy. Key characteristics include high ceilings to amplify spaciousness, exposed architectural elements such as beams, pipes, or brick walls, flexible zoning for living, dining, work, and rest within a single expansive area. Rather than filling every corner, this style emphasizes thoughtful placement and versatile furnishing to maintain a sense of openness. 3. Natural light as the main design element. In Scandinavian regions, daylight is a precious resource. Therefore, maximizing natural light is a fundamental principle. Loft interiors typically feature large, unobstructed windows, sheer or light-colored curtains, reflective surfaces such as glass and soft-toned walls. The result is a luminous atmosphere that brings out the true colors and textures of interior elements while enhancing wellness, mood, and productivity. 4. A neutral color palette with subtle warmth. Scandinavian minimalism favors colors that keep the space bright and calm. Common palette choices include white and off-white, soft grays and cool neutrals, natural tones like beige, sand, taupe, and muted pastels. To avoid a sterile look, designers introduce warmth through wooden furniture, textured materials such as wool, linen, or boucle, subtle accents in earthy or dusty hues. This palette creates a visually cohesive environment that feels serene and timeless. 5. Functional furniture with elegant simplicity. Everything in a Scandinavian minimalist loft must serve a purpose. Furniture is selected for practicality, clean lines, comfort, long-lasting quality. Signature furniture pieces often feature natural wood, oak, birch, or ash, slim profiles that maintain spatial fluidity, smart storage solutions to reduce clutter, multifunctional items, such as modular sofas or built-in cabinetry, enhance usability without disrupting the minimalist foundation. 6. Organic materials and craftsmanship. Nordic traditions value nature and craftsmanship. To bring the outdoors inside, materials such as these are widely used. Wood for floors and furniture, stone elements for countertops or decorative accents, leather, rattan, cotton, and linen for warmth and texture. These elements soften the industrial edges found in many lofts, like metal frames or concrete floors, achieving a perfect balance between raw and refined. 7. Textures that add depth and comfort. With a minimalist palette, textures play a crucial role in enriching visual interest. Soft layered fabrics and tactile surfaces prevent the space from feeling empty or cold. Features may include chunky knit blankets, wool rugs, light-toned upholstery, handcrafted ceramics. These touches create a cozy atmosphere, known in Scandinavian culture as hygge, which emphasizes comfort, contentment, and human connection. 8. Accents with purpose. Art, lighting, and greenery. Even in minimalist environments, decoration has its place, so long as it is intentional. Accents should express personality and add warmth without overwhelming the senses. Recommended elements include lighting, soft, layered illumination through pendant lamps, floor lamps with clean silhouettes, candlelight for a hygge-friendly mood, art, minimalist wall art, line drawings, and framed photography offer subtle sophistication. Greenery. Plants bring life, freshness, and contrast. They also reinforce the nature-centered philosophy of Scandinavian design. 9. Calm and order through smart storage. Clutter disrupts minimalism and creates visual stress. Loft interiors apply innovative storage solutions such as built-in shelving along structural walls, wall-mounted cabinetry that blends with interiors, hidden compartments in furniture pieces, open shelves styled neatly and sparingly. These strategies promote organization while maintaining a polished atmosphere. 10. A sustainable design philosophy. Nordic values strongly emphasize environmental responsibility. Many Scandinavian lofts incorporate high-quality furnishings meant to last a lifetime, locally sourced or eco-certified materials, energy-efficient appliances and lighting, recyclable and biodegradable decor. Longevity and respect for nature are at the core of every design decision, making this style both stylish and mindful. 11. Psychological benefits of Scandinavian loft design. Beyond aesthetics, this interior style nurtures mental clarity and emotional balance. Benefits include reduced stress due to simplified surroundings, improved focus from clutter-free layouts, enhanced well-being from natural light exposure, a calming retreat from fast-paced lifestyles. In essence, Scandinavian minimalist lofts are designed to make people feel better, not just live better. 12. How to achieve this style in your own space. Whether living in a loft or a standard home, the key is to apply Scandinavian values consistently. Start with decluttering. Keep only essentials. Choose neutral tones for walls and major furniture. Optimize daylight exposure. Select durable, sustainable pieces. Incorporate natural textures like wood, wool, and greenery. Highlight craftsmanship over mass-produced decor. Small changes, like replacing heavy curtains with light fabrics or reorganizing furniture to open the room, can make a significant impact. Conclusion. A design style for modern well-being. Scandinavian minimalist loft interior design beautifully merges simplicity, functionality, and comfort into a cohesive and inspiring living environment. With its focus on natural light, sustainable materials, and thoughtful aesthetics, this concept offers much more than modern elegance. It supports a lifestyle of mindfulness, well-being, and authentic connection to one's surroundings. At its heart, this design is a celebration of the essentials: space to breathe, beauty in simplicity, and a harmonious home where every element has a purpose. As more people seek environments that reflect balance and tranquility, the Scandinavian minimalist loft stands strong as a timeless style suited for contemporary living.